Hey guys, I want to try another low-carb recipe, actually a paleo recipe. I got this other cookbook. So this cookbook, guys, is called Well-Fed Complete Paleo Meals in 45 Minutes or Less. So that's what the cover looks like. And the first recipe I saw that I really want to try, it's called a Thai basil beef. It looks amazing. So yeah, let's make this for you guys and review it and let's see how it tastes. I'm adding the basil. Just a handful of basil, and you stir it, and it's done. Okay, guys, here it is. Here's a Thai basil beef. That doesn't look amazing. And the recipe says sprinkle some like lime to give it some extra lime pizzazz. I don't have much lime. I use the lime for the sauce. Most of the lime for the sauce, but I'll use a little bit of lime. This basil looks really good, guys. It looks amazing. All right, let's try it. I love basil, so I want to make sure I get some basil in my first bite. Here's the first bite. Wow. That is really good. Oh my God. Wow. That is really good. All the flavors, the lime is really coming through in this recipe. I added a little bit extra garlic too. Wow. This basil is still to show. And yeah, and I didn't even include all the ingredients. Let me tell you what I did not include. It called for 1.5 pounds of beef. I thought that was too much for one person, so I kind of reduced like the vegetables a little bit. Called for a Japanese eggplant. I'm not really big on eggplant. What I used instead was zucchini. And I don't like anything spicy, so I did not use the jalapeno that they suggested. And I didn't have the coconut aminos. I wasn't sure if I should just use soy sauce. I wasn't sure what to do instead, but I decided, no, I'll just try it without it. I'm sure it'll be fine. It has a lot of different spices. It's really good. So guys, I really recommend this cookbook, this recipe. I probably will give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's really good. It's very flavorful. Yeah, guys, there's a lot of good recipes. This is one I want to make. I would like to make maybe next time. It's called Tropical Tacos with Jamaica Slaw. Doesn't look really good. Also, the spicy Nigerian beef looks really good. Doesn't look good, guys. And on the bottom, I don't think it says potatoes. That looks really good. So there's a lot of good recipes in here. Low carb, paleo. Here's chicken pesto meatballs with zucchini noodles. So there's a lot of good recipes in here. I guess I would recommend this book. Check it out on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. I'm really into paleo cooking, guys, and it's really fun to eat healthy. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.